Welcome to the Mission Darkness Assembly Facility. In this portion of our assembly area, we are putting together BlockBox Labs XL. This order is for a forensic customer that ordered 1 week ago. This larger order can be done quickly. Every single one of our labs takes about 40 minutes to put together. We're fast, we keep a lot of inventory, and we keep lead times low. You can see here we've got a bunch of labs that are already assembled. These are about to go out. And then over here, you can check out our assembly line. This BlockBox Lab XL assembly line is pretty quick. These are in different stages of assembly. And then afterwards, every one of them gets paired with an accessory kit. This full-featured accessory kit has NeoLok magnetic Faraday bags included. Those go with the lab. Cable kits, 4 of those full cable kits. Organizers, if you're using GrayKey, Cellebrite, these are gonna keep all the phones organized, along with a tray to make sure that space is optimized inside of the enclosure. We've got extra seals, extra gloves, and then some fun goodies, a hat, some other stuff. This kit is jam-packed with value. It's what we like to offer with every single one of our products to make sure that when the time comes for your investigation, the product does exactly what you want it to, and you've got everything you need to make your investigation successful.